Welcome all, I am Vignesh. Today we are going to see part 3 session of average, that is mistaken average. Okay, let's start the lesson. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Okay, in this first question, what they have given, we will see. The average height of 10 student was 166 cm. Later it was found that one reading was wrongly calculated as 160 cm instead of 150 cm. What is the correct mean height? We have to find the correct mean height here. They have given a certain data here. What are the data? The average height of 10 student was 160 cm. From this data, we can easily find out the total height. So, total height is equal to 10 into 166 is equal to 1660 cm. In second condition, later it was found that one reading was wrongly calculated as 160 cm instead of 150 cm. From this condition, we can easily understand that they have taken a wrong value to find out the average. They have to take a 150 centimeter, but they have taken a 160 centimeter. See here, so we have to subtract this 160 centimeter, 150 centimeter from 160 centimeter. So we will keep wrong value as 160 centimeter and correct value as 150 centimeter. We have to subtract these two to find out the correct average, because we have to find out the correct mean height. So we have to subtract these two. So the answer will be 10. To find out the correct average, you have to subtract these 10 from 1660, because we have actually the average will be the sum of occurrence, sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So this is the sum of observation, but sum of observation, there is a fault in sum of observation. So we have to subtract this total, this 10 from the total. So 1660 minus 10 is equal to 1650. Then to find out the average height, new average height, you have to divide 1650 by 10. So 1650 by 10 is equal to 165 centimeter. So we can easily find out the new average by dividing. So in this second question, what they have given, we will see. The average of 9 observations is 38. Later it was found that one observation is wrongly taken as 72 instead of 27. What is the new average? Here, from this first condition, the average of 9 observation is 30. From this first condition, we can easily find out the total average, total observation. Total observation is 9 into 38, that is 342. Then in second condition, later it was found that one observation is wrongly taken as 72 instead of 27. From this condition, we can understand that they have taken a wrong value as 72, but the correct value is 27. They have taken a wrong value. So we will keep wrong value as 72 and correct value as 27. So we have to subtract these two numbers. 72 minus 27, that will be 45. So you have to find the new average. So in order to find the new average, you have to divide the total average by 9. So the total average, total observation divided by number of observation. So you have to divide total observation by number of observations to find out the new average. For that, we have to find out the new total. So new total will be 340. From 342 we have to subtract 345. So we have to find out the new total. To find new total, then new total is equal to 342 minus 45. To find out the new total, we have to subtract these two values. So the answer will be 297. So from this 297, we can easily find out the new average. Then new average is equal to 297 divided by 9. Then answer will be 33. So new average is equal to 33. So hope you all understand this session. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment section. If you like this video, please hit like button and share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, The Speed Book. Thank you.